Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to Newswatch 12 this morning. Right now you're taking a live look at Yreka. This view coming courtesy of the Rain Rock Casino. Clear skies this morning. It's going to be a lot of that for today. Temperatures to the east of the Cascades are in the 30s and 40s for this morning, so maybe you would want an ice scraper up towards Chemult, but elsewhere too warm for that, even on the east side, but definitely too warm for that in our west side valleys and along the coast with 40s and 50s. Here's your outdoor dining forecast for today for the Rogue Valley. 5 stars for lunchtime as we're going to be pretty close to sunny and 75, but then a little bit warmer than that. In fact, much warmer than that by the time we get to dinner time. So for today, a little bit cooler compared to this weekend, but still will be about 10 degrees above average for this time of the year. So that means middle 70s to the east of the Cascades, 80s for our west side valleys, near 70 along the coast in Curry County. Winds today will gust out of the north and northwest, upwards of 20 to 35 miles per hour, with some of the fastest wind gusts being along the coast in Curry County. And then for tonight, the winds will calm down for inland spots, but along the coast they could still gust upwards of maybe 20 to 25 miles per hour. But other than that, it is going to be a very quiet night of weather. We'll have mostly clear skies, and overnight lows will be pretty mild for this time of the year, as we'll be in the low 40s to the east of the Cascades, near 50 for our west side valleys, and then middle 50s along the coast in Curry County. Okay, so our temperatures are about to go up. Once again, we'll be back around 90 degrees come time for Thursday, and this is once again going to place us at about 15 to 20 degrees above average for this time of the year. But as soon as things heat up, we cool things back off to, well, around 80 degrees. So still above average for this time of the year, but less above average, if you will, less super seasonal. But we continue to keep things dry, and that is very unfortunate because our fire fuels are starting to get a little bit drier, especially to the west of the Cascades. Here's a 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see temperatures near 75 degrees in Brookings for Tuesday and Wednesday, and for Thursday for that matter. It looks like we have another Chetco effect setup that's going to set up over those next few days. And then for Siskiyou County, we are watching the potential, a very small potential of a thunderstorm on Friday. The fuel's down that way, starting to look pretty dry too, so we'll keep a close eye on that. But it looks like we got pretty lucky over the weekend in terms of lightning-induced fire starts. And then for the Klamath Basin, near 85 for Thursday, back down into the middle 70s, low to mid 70s for this weekend. And then for the Cascades, we'll see plenty of melting snow over the next week. So it's going to be another one of those weeks where we'll see how the snowpack and the reservoir levels adjust. Then for the Rogue Valley, near 90 for Thursday, but back down to around 80 for this weekend.